What's going on, y'all? We back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the 4 things I did in my trading career that basically made trading become easier for me. My bad if I'm looking down, y'all. I wrote some notes in this journal right here, and I'm basically going to be going off of that. Sooner or later I ain't going to need this journal, you know what I'm saying? But these are my first videos, so I don't want to get tongue twisted or even forget what I want to tell you guys. But alright, let's get into this video. The first thing that helped me in my trading was basically learning how to chart. So when I got introduced to trading, it was 2020. Shout out to Ty. I don't know if you guys know Ty, but his YouTube channel is Ty Championship, if I'm not mistaken. But Ty basically put me on to trading. So I was planning on just copying his trades and just going with that. And that's what I basically did. Maybe for the first 6 months of my trading career, I just copied the trades from Ty, and it was profitable. You know what I'm saying? I think I put $80 in the account, and it got me. Well, his trades itself got me up to like $800, something like that. So it was profitable. You know what I'm saying? I didn't stop copying him because he's not profitable. You know what I'm saying? Another person in my trading journey that I seen what trading can do for the individual. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of wanted the same independence that he was getting, that allowed him to, view the market, then send the trades out to his chat. I wanted kind of that same type of independence. So that's when the first my mind started to shift a little bit, as far as me wanting to be able to read the market myself. Don't get me wrong, he was stressing, being able to read the market and market structure, but I'm a beginning trader, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking I'm trying to get rich up in this mud, you know what I'm saying? So once again, shout out to Todd, because he does stress market structure. Another guy that I found interest in and was able to watch a lot was Alex G, and he pressed on being able to read the market, you know what I'm saying? Don't let me forget, also Doyle Exchange. I'll get more into who influenced me, and I'll make a video out of that. Matter of fact, I'll break down who influenced me into this trade. But those 3 guys, Ty, Alex G, and Doyle Exchange, they all stress being able to read the market. So yeah, once I figured out that, man, the real everybody's looking for that secret gem. The real gem, one of the gems, is being able to purely read market structure. You know what I'm saying? Being able to tell if the market is making higher highs and higher lows, because I'm a trend trader. So I don't really know if you guys are taking counter trend moves, but when you're going with the waves of the market, it's much easier to trade. You know what I'm saying? All right. The second thing, man, let's trade naked charts. Once again, shout out to Ty. Being able just to have a clean chart, it just totally helped my eyes. I was just able basically to see nothing but price. I trade a black chart. First of all, black chart, no indicators. We trade no indicators over here. First of all, indicators are lagging. All right, y'all. So the second thing, the second adjustment that I made in my trading journey was removing all indicators from my chart. And what I mean by that is just simply trading naked price. You know what I'm saying? Indicators are laggers anyway, you know what I'm saying? So you're always going to be 5 minutes late, 10 minutes late, and the move is already taken off by then. Now, you could have got your 30 points, your 50 pips by then, you know what I'm saying? We don't want anything that can handicap us. It's like my coach used to make us get our ankles taped every practice. Sooner or later, everybody is twisting their ankles. Your ankles sooner or later will get used to that support. So the time we may be out of town and the trainer from the other side doesn't really want to help us, or we can't find them, or anything can happen. You gotta go no tape. Man, your ankles is weak because over all that time you don't notice, but your muscles are like forming around the tape and everything. Like they're just becoming dependent. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with trading. All those indicators on your chart, you're gonna become dependent on them. And going back to the first adjustment that I made, learning how to chart goes into me taking all those indicators off my chart, which allowed me to be able to read the price much cleaner. You know what I'm saying? I used to, one indicator that I do trade with, I'm not gonna cap right now, I use the EMA. But I use that as a dynamic support and resistance, a form of take profit, things along that line. So I'm not really looking for the EMA to tell me to buy or sell. You know what I'm saying? That's what we don't want going on. And like I was going to say before, I used another indicator called the RSI. I used to look. The third adjustment that I made in my trading journey, you guys, is learning how to manage my risk. Let me tell you, risk management is key. Through this time of trying to find consistency, my account would have been blown if I didn't pick up risk management. Risk management was one of the first things that I was able to pick up on. There's a lot of things you got to pick up on with trading, and risk management was one of them. And it's really like risk management is a corner turner for a lot of people. And I was able to pick up and understand risk management very early, which right now is allowing me to stay in the game. Risk management will keep you in this game for the long haul. We want to be here when everybody has risk management. It separates you from the winners and from the losers, from those who are in this for real and who are in this for fake. You know what I'm saying? The real hoopers from the fake hoopers. Risk management is one of the things I realized that I had to learn how to accept the money I'm putting down, or your emotions just gonna be going crazy. And learning how to battle and understand your emotions, control your emotions, will take you so far in this trading, because getting your emotions in check is one of the main things that you have to do in trading. You know what I'm saying? When you push that button, you have to be able to walk away, and that itself is being able to deal with your emotions. You know what I'm saying? What I had to learn is, in the beginning, I was risking too much. I sat there, I started itching, I'm sweating, but it's at the end of the day, it's because the P&L level that I'm seeing, it was just too much for my heart, mind, and soul. So eventually, I just had to lower my risk further and further, so I got comfortable with just seeing it fluctuate, go up and down, because that's what the price in the market is going to do. It's going to fluctuate, move sideways, up and down, make you jump off a roof if you're looking at it. So my last and final adjustment that I made, or something that I realized along this journey, is you got to drown out the noise. Me personally, I haven't been on social media in I lost track, but 3.5 years. It's not that I went on there and was comparing myself to all of these people, you know what I'm saying? Let me stop that, because maybe it was a time where I started to compare myself, but in the age, I guess you were saying in the age, in the way of age. I used to think I could do a lot more for how old I am. But man, you gotta drop that as soon as you can. Comparison is the thief of joy. Is that the quote? Y'all know what I'm saying. Comparison will tear you down, you know what I'm saying? You have to focus on you. Everybody knows, if you in this for real, trading is a journey of oneself. Trading to start bringing out things from your childhood that you didn't know affected you affected you to this day. You know what I'm saying? So trading is just is a journey of oneself, just an overall evolution of oneself, and that is what helps you on the charts. You know what I'm saying? So don't go comparing yourself to the 21-year-old that got trading down in 4 months, the 27-year-old that has $30 million in trading, the guy who just got $250,000 in funding. It doesn't matter. This is a journey within oneself. We continue to look outside for how our life is supposed to be. Once again, it just won't do us any good, and then we'll be the age that we were afraid of, and we'll be really down bad, or we're really not able to look ourselves in that mirror. And we want to be able to look ourselves in that mirror. But like I was saying, this day and age, first of all, social media, everyone's wearing a mask. So do not trust everyone on Instagram and what they post. You know what I'm saying? These gurus, everything. Like I said earlier in the video, we want to be here for the long haul. They can have the Lamborghini right now, but what will they have in the next 10 years? That's what we want to focus on, right? We want to be here when they all fall. One thing I wanted to get into was also the family support. If the family is making noise and not believing you, I had to realize that they just want what's best for you. The only way they know how. To them, you're diving into something unknown, but it's not unknown to you. So like we were saying, this journey with trading is a journey of oneself. We can't let the opinion of others dictate what we want to do. So if noise is coming from your family, you have to understand that if you really want this, sometimes, hey, you gotta fight with it. You gotta fight for it with your back against the wall. One more thing that I wanted to say, that I was trying to create like a good like analogy, or I don't even know what you call it, but I like to think as the losses in trading as noise to a certain extent. We have to block out the noise. We know that the losses are coming, you know what I'm saying? But we have to be able to just, okay, take the loss, throw it off your shoulder, and do the same thing with a win. Take the win, throw it off your shoulder. Block out the losses, because we know the wins are coming, especially if you've back-tested, forward-tested your strategy, and you have unwavering faith behind it. Losses are going to come. Then your win going to come. Then your win going to come. Then your win going to come. Then your loss going to come. It's just a game. Your win going to come. 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 We got to just stay focused on our path and our calling. You know what I'm saying? Stay focused on your path and your calling. So I just wanted to come on here and give y'all the 4 things that I felt really helped me in my trading. There's probably more things that helped me, but right now these are the 4 things that once I flipped these, I was able to be successful in trading. And you know, success in trading is not all about the money. You know what I'm saying? Are you getting up and following your schedule? You know what I'm saying? Are you reading mentally stimulating books? Are you journaling? You know, are you going to look at your data so you know what type of trader you are, how you react to certain situations, and where your high probability trades are? We need, going back to knowing yourself, we need to know that we need to be self-aware. Self-awareness is very key in this trading environment, because it's just you. You don't have someone that, well, you don't have someone to check you. You know what I'm saying? You have to check yourself. So you have to be self-aware. Am I okay this morning? Am I able to trade? Do I need to be in these markets? Am I risking too much? Am I following my plan? All of these things come from that self-awareness and the self-checking. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give y'all those 4 things. Drop it like it's hot, boy. But y'all give me a follow, give me a subscribe, and there'll be plenty more videos coming. Love y'all.